Hey everybody, Ivor here from CF Affiliate. How are you? Cool. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and come join our private Facebook group if you're interested in ClickFunnels or the One Funnel Away Challenge. All right, cool. So I'm here today to talk about what is the One Funnel Away Challenge. So basically, the One Funnel Away Challenge is a 30-day training that guides you through step by step launching your first or next funnel. The course is provided by three coaches, which we'll go through in a sec. Russell Brunson, the owner and CEO of Clickfunnels, Stephen Larson, and Julie Stolen. Now, people say, is it worth it? Basically, it is complete training on getting a business online. So if you have a product or service to sell or promote, you need ClickFunnels. This is the platform that teaches you the logical steps to build a profitable funnel to sell your product or service. Okay, so look, this is the page that explains how everything works. So this is literally a funnel if you don't know. Click my link below, pull it across to here. Then you'll pop up. You can do this in a separate screen when you listen to this. Russell will do a quick video here on what it's all about. He's awesome. This is what you get within the box. Now on a different video, I'm going to do an unboxing video. My stuff is just about to come. When it comes, I can show you. So cool. What you get in here now. Russell will explain the backstory of what's going on. Now this whole thing comes for only $100, 100 USD, cheap as chips. Now, what I want to show you is this is what you're actually going to get. Now, in exchange for the 100, you get the book, you get the actual copy, the hard copy of everybody's challenge. So Russell has selected 30 of the top entrepreneurs who have been very, very, very successful in ClickFunnels and asked them kindly to give them a chapter per book, build it out. So if you can pick the relevant person within your niche, brilliant. You have a program from them and what they would do if they were in your shoes and they had 30 days, the ClickFunnels account, and $100 to make it happen. In the course, obviously, you get the 30-day videos, the coaching from Stephen and Julie, which I'll show you in a sec, the customized kit, which I'm going to show you as well. There's heaps of bonuses here, and they say all this looks like this. So basically, this is a box, which I'm going to do in a different video. You have the workbook, the USB pen, the hard copy. The workbook is awesome. I personally will be carrying the workbook and the USB pen in my vehicle at all times because I can plug the USB pen in, listen to it when I'm in traffic. For those of you who commute with train and bus, etc., literally plug it into your earphones, use the workbook, take some notes. Fantastic. So then you'll get the other bonuses, like I said, and it'll take you completely through how the entire system works. Now, this is what I want to show you. Now, Julie Stolen is a fantastic lady. She's went from rags to riches, as has Russell, as has Stephen, thanks to this one process. Julie's fantastic. Julie and Stephen will do a video on the back of Russell's most days, definitely every day with Stephen. I think Julie's about 60 or 80% of the time, depending on the module, but it's awesome. All right, now these guys are the top of their field. Now I'm going to give you a quick sneaky peek of what you get once you join up. So feel free to read down. There's heaps of information here for people that want to know a bit more in depth. Once you join, click this red button. There's a few buttons below. I'm going to give you a sneaky peek. This is actually where you go to. Now, this is the area, the membership area, the One Funnel Away Challenge. Now, I got access already. In here, you have the welcome video from Russell, which will pop up there. Then you have the mission trainings. So if you miss a training, you can go back. Some of them are short, some of them are long. With your experiences, you may not need to get in depth with the training, so you can go back to another training and you can always make this work. Use your strengths and weaknesses, do the trainings every day as they come through to your emails and follow the list. Fantastic. There's a few different accountability groups that Russell has. He'll join you to the private Facebook page. There's whole heaps of stuff you get. The bonuses is what I said. They have picked 30 entrepreneurs, such as Trailwell, one of the e-commerce kings on the planet, and he gives you his video on how he would do it. There's a bonus video, but also you can download his plan, which looks like this. It even gives you, this is his plan, it even gives you what his daily schedule is. And I'm not going to spoil it on you, but niche selection, he talks about all the niches. This thing is fantastic. So I hope that explains what is the One Funnel Away Challenge. Grab the link below. I personally have some bonuses I'm going to give you as well on top of this. You're invited to my personal Facebook page where everybody's in there helping each other to achieve this One Funnel Away Challenge. I have a YouTube channel as well, which the video is in there again to help you. Hopefully I can break it down in some areas and listen to some of the pain points from people, make videos like that to help you out. I give away other bonuses, such as I do a Zoom call once a week where we can all jump on live and look at your funnels and help each other out. So join the link below and let's get moving. See you on the other side.